Alright, here's a 2001 Ford Explorer, but this goes for a wide range of hood latches. What do you do if you can't open up the hood because the latch isn't working? Because it's frozen. So, it doesn't matter how many times you pull this latch right here, the hood won't pop. It does now though, but I'll show you what you do. So if the hood won't pop up like this, and jumping up and down on it, not jumping down, but doing that, trying to pull it up, or really any of the other options is not working, instead of trying to stick some stuff in there to pull the latch, which you see on a lot of YouTube videos, your best bet, just get a can of WD-40, spray up in here, and spray this mechanism in here. Just like soak it down. Go inside the cab, just pulling that lever a few times, and it would pop right open. Now, whenever I go to pull the hood, it pops every time. It's a beautiful sound. Now, before it gets this bad, you're best off spraying that down, and you can see all the oil on it. But you're just best off spraying it before it gets like that. Well, anyway, that's it. So take it easy.